Let's do it. What's going on, guys? CardMechanic here, and today I'm going to be showing you a card trick that you can use to fool multiple people at once. Now check this out. We'll start off by having the spectator give the deck a quick shuffle. Nothing too wild, just enough of a shuffle. And now once the spectator has shuffled up the deck, I'll ask the spectator to give the deck a cut as close to the half point as possible. And then me as a performer, I'm going to take one of these decks. So I'm going to have the spectator put their finger on any of the decks. Let's just say they pick this one. So I'll take the other deck. And for now, I'll leave it on the side. Then I'll instruct the spectator to pick up the deck that they chose, take the top card and the bottom card of that deck, and put both those cards in the center, just so they know I didn't do anything funny with them. And now let's say we have 3 spectators. So I'll have spectator 1 take the top card, spectator 2 take the second card, and spectator 3 take the third card. And now by reading each of the spectators' minds, I could tell that spectator 1 selected the ace of spades, spectator 2 selected the jack of spades, and spectator 3 selected the 5 of hearts. What a performance, right? I know, it's amazing. But seriously, if you guys actually want to know how to perform this well, make sure to go and check out the tutorial video. And if not, make sure to go check out that video right there, because that's a great trick as well. So I'll see you there.